Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Fatal Encounter Investigated in New Jersey. So let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
This New Jersey state trooper was called to assist on a routine call. What the trooper didn't know is that one of them would not survive the night.
What's up, partner? How you doing? Yeah. All right, listen, like I told you on the phone.
Yeah, but there's more y'all can do because I talked to another officer, so you're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you. There's no reason to lie to you.
Yes.
I cannot force her to give this stuff back.
This is my property. My stuff was here.
What is it, a dirt bike?
Yes.
All right.
And
is she inside?
The same, yes.
What's her name?
Yes. I would like back up here.
Back up?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're sitting here lying.
I'm not lying to you. I'm going to go talk to her. She's inside?
You are lying, officer.
I'm a trooper, not an officer. Where are the dirt bikes?
The dirt bikes are this. Got stolen. And the officers was willing to help me out. But the bike was gone.
Where is it?
It's right here. So from my future past, the same situation, that's why I know you're lying.
Okay.
You are lying.
All right.
Bike's right here. And I have the title right here.
I'm guessing she pulled the car up like that to,
Yes.
Let me see the title. So the title doesn't even have your name on it.
Officer.
What's your name?
Want me to sign my name?
What's your name?
Daniel King.
All right.
So why are you doing this to me?
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
How do I get to her? This door?
Yes. Why are you acting stupid, dog?
You stay back here, because I'm not going to listen to you two fight if things aren't civil here.
No, I live here. So I'm more than welcome just like you are.
Then what's the issue with the dirt bike if you live here?
The issue is I'm getting my stuff so I can be about my business.
All right.
So it won't be a problem.
You just go down there and talk to
No,
her.
I don't. Because you're causing a problem. And I will sue the hell out of you.
Go ahead.
All right. What's your badge number? Hold on, let me record this.
Is she home?
What's your badge number, officer?
8847.
8847. So I'm not allowed to get my dirt bike?
I'm trying to talk to her to see what's going on.
You're not
here.
trying. Officer, you are not trying.
All right.
Where are you trying to get my property? I'm glad you did this, because I'm about to be a fucking millionaire.
Okay.
Okay, yes, okay. I'm about to be a millionaire. This is the last job. A millionaire. You know that? Thank you. Thank you. Racist ass cop. Yo, bro, we rich forever. You hear that? I'm rich forever. Rich.
All right, sir.
Bro, paid. I'm getting a lawyer and I'm paid. Paid.
All right, so
Paid.
just to clarify.
I am paid. Thank the Lord.
Just to clarify.
I'm rich.
This is your.
I'm rich.
I'm trying to
rich.
talk to you.
Call backup. Can I have backup? This officer right here will not get me back up. He won't get me back up, and he's going to jail.
Why is he walking in front of him like that?
Rich. I mean, what kind of bike you?
Bruh, why is he? Yeah, this officer got a lot more patience than me, bro. You're not gonna walk and try and like basically cut me off when I'm walking type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not about to like, come on, like, look at this. We're about to go down this little thing right here. Look how he's positioned for him. He don't even got room to walk, bro.
Go ahead.
He won't allow me to get my bike.
What's going on? He lives here?
Yeah.
All right. Is his here? Because I just knocked on the door and no one answered.
They're here.
All right. Are they here? Are they not
Forever.
dating?
Thank the
Are you
Lord.
still-
I got my blessing today. I prayed on this.
Dude, I'm trying to talk
I've been
to
working
you.
hard. I've been working fucking hard.
All right.
Yes. I've been
Listen.
working hard for this. Thank the Lord.
Here's
Wow, what you want me to kiss your boots? Can I kiss them? Can I kiss your boots?
No.
Please? Please?
Here's where we're at.
Can I? It ain't where we at. It's where I'm at. I'm rich.
Listen, I tried knocking on the door. She didn't answer.
Yeah, I'm rich. Can you believe this, bro? I'm rich.
Do you have a phone number for her?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
All right.
Here, you want the phone number?
Yep.
Because I'm rich forever. Thank the Lord. Thank you. Bro, my job. I'm rich. Rich from a racist officer. Thank you.
What's her phone number?
You don't fucking need it. I'm rich, bro. She rich too. I'm gonna give her some money.
All right.
Yo, come outside.
Why is he acting like this? Listen, like I told him on the phone, civil issue, right? He's telling me he lives here too, that they're... I cannot force her to give him that bike. Like,
He got the title and everything, though.
I know, but he said he lives here. The bike's here. Like, I don't...
He about to sell it to me. I'm buying the bike off of him.
And I knocked on the door. She didn't answer. Like, he didn't give me her phone number when I asked for it on the phone.
Well, can we just take it over the car?
Well, no, because then you're going to damage your car.
Yo, officer. Guess what? I'm getting married today. I'm getting married. I'm quitting my job. You hear me? I'm quitting my fucking job.
Let me try and talk to her.
No, you dumb. Fucking dumb. What drug are you on?
All right.
What drug are you on? Huh? Because I'm rich forever.
Get out of my face, dude.
No, I don't got to get out of your face. And I don't got to let you in this fucking car. You go to jail.
Why are you acting like this?
Because I'm acting like this because this is what happens when people get money and they rich forever. Yo, my last name is King.
All right.
King!
All right, dude.
King!
Listen.
You know you fucking with a god?
All right, I'm going to go talk.
I'm sorry, but New York State Troopers this ain't happening, bro. No disrespect to Jersey. I know y'all right over there. No disrespect to my Jersey people, but that's not happening in New York. This is not happening in New York, bro. What? Yo, he's blocking him, and then he's like, I'm not gonna let you in your car. He's blocking the car. No, this is not going down like this in New York. 100%.
No, ain't no talking. I'm rich forever.
All right, man.
Rich.
All right.
This is the law.
All right.
The law that you just fucked up.
All right.
Shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot.
Shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot.
Dude, shoot me.
Yeah, can you get your...
Bro, ain't no getting me. Shoot me. Bitch, shoot me. You a bitch ass cop.
Yo.
Yo, do
Out of
something.
my face, dude.
Bro,
Yo, get your
yo,
ball.
ain't no getting me. He can't do shit. And I'm on camera. Get this recorded. Can you record this? Record it. Record it.
8847.
And he touching him?
Can we get
He
another
touched the
backup?
camera.
Because somebody's going to jail and it ain't me, bitch. How about that one? How about that one? Let's fight. I'll take the charge because you know what? Yo, take the charge.
Come on, dude.
I did everything. Shoot me, bitch.
No, I'm not shooting you.
Yeah, officer, cop, beat
Turn
my
around.
ass.
Turn around.
Beat me.
Turn around,
Beat
dude.
me. Beat me. Beat me.
Turn
Beat me.
around. I'm not
Beat me. Yeah, that's all I want. Get off me, bro. That's all I want.
Bro, no freaking way, bro.
Now, forever. He won't even shoot me. I'm waiting on this punk ass like you. I've been, yeah, back up, bitch, I'm rich.
I can't believe I'm watching this, bro.
You
What?
got me here. You got me. You won. You won. Yeah. Papa. Papa. Papa, we rich. Go away, Papa. We rich. We rich. We rich. Yeah, we rich. I work for the claim. Call her. Papa. Papa. We rich. Papi. Listen to me. Listen to me. Papa. Officer. Papa.
Right.
Yo. Yo.
I got him.
Yo. We lying. You know?
Papel para darle.
I work for the plane.
I go pick it up,
Papa. I work at Santa Cruz.
Wow. Good Samaritans, man.
Yo, the cop. Look at my yo.
Call EMS out here.
Yo.
Hector, call EMS.
Leave. Phone on my phone.
You okay? All right, you can still breathe normally? All right, now hard breathing. All right. It's just me and him. His friend was over there. He's probably the one that took off. Where's his friend? Where'd he go? His friend hit you? It was just him? Just him? Yeah, his friend was here, but he left. That's some guys just left. Nah, the Mexicans helped me with him.
Look at my eye.
On first? Yep.
I told you that.
Sit down.
You trying to set me up, bro?
Sit up, bro.
You're struggling. Yeah, bro, I'm in your family, dog. Yeah. Don't do this. Don't do this, bro.
No, he's good.
I'm your family, dog. You're rich. I want to help that too. Bro. I'm telling you, we're gonna be best friends and we're gonna be rich forever.
Yep.
Look it up. No, bro. Don't go out like this. You told me that. No, we can't. Bro. No. I'm rich. I want a demon too.
Close that one.
I want a demon too.
All right, come on, bro.
No. I'm tired. Yo. Come on, just sit in.
You're making this worse. Just sit
No,
in.
I'm not.
Mind going on the other side?
Do what you gotta do, bro.
There you go. Pause real quick. All right, we're good. Where is it? Hold on, here. Pull him back. Go.
Or stay in here. You hear me? Stay
Close.
in here.
For what, dude? What's this for? You're going to the station anyway. You're processed. It's over. That's it. All right? You want to get sprayed?
No, I do not.
Get in the car then. Let's go. Get in the car. Let's go. All right. Sorry, one more phone. Grab one.
In the car now.
Tom. 9088. A black male in vehicle. We need somebody here. 49 Alpha. Not seatbelted in. That way? This way. His head's right here.
We just drag him
away
out
from his feet. We just drag him out.
Because he might use his legs, so if his head is already over here, let's just
pull him out that way. Yeah, whatever you guys say.
All right.
Ready? Yep. All right, get him off. Up.
Come on.
Therapy search, we're good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Come on, guys. Sit on. Once that first feedback,
Sit up.
yeah.
Sit him up. Get sit up.
Daniel reached the station alive, but passed away in the hospital the following day. A high dose of phencyclidine was found in his system, the drug known on the street as PCP, or angel dust. It can cause seizures, coma, and even death, often as a consequence of accidental injury or suicide while under the drug's effects. The effects may resemble the symptoms associated with schizophrenia, including delusions and paranoia. Daniel's fate serves as a grim reminder of these dangers.
Sometimes it can end bad for the
Wow. I ain't gonna lie. That's the most locked in I've ever been on a video. Like, y'all hear me? I barely said a peep. Like, that video was so interesting. He was definitely acting real strange. Like, because I'm like, he getting in the officer's face and like, didn't you call him there for your like, typically the person that calls the cops isn't the one that's like, so, you know what I mean? And I thought this was gonna go south. I actually thought the officer maybe was going to pass or something like that. Like, because when they were wrestling, I don't know if maybe he had some, you know, maybe because there's some like chemicals and drugs that like people, they might have on a like maybe on a handkerchief or maybe on their clothes or something. And if you just sniff it or whatever, it'll make you like start the, you know, it'll make you like nod out. So when the officer was like, yo, call EMS, I'm like, yo, did he get something? Did he get a whiff of something? But it was the guy that ended up you know, but yo, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, man. That had me so locked in. I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I did, man. That was insane.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.